यह पहले से कहीं बेहतर है। That's better than ever. That's better than ever. आपका काम बढ़िया चल रहा है। You are doing fine. You are doing fine. क्या कोई मुझे बता सकता है? Could anyone tell me? Could anyone tell me? मुझे दिलचस्पी है। I am interested in. I am interested in. मैं सोच रहा था। I was wondering. I was wondering. आप वास्तव में सुधार कर रहे हो। You are really improving. You are really improving. तुम मेरे लिए सब कुछ हो। You are everything to me. You are everything to me. मैं जानना चाहूँगा। I would like to know. I would like to know. क्या आपको कोई जानकारी है? Do you have any idea? Do you have any idea? मुझे नहीं लगता कि आप जानते हैं। I don't suppose you know. I don't suppose you know. आपका जीवन कैसा चल रहा है? How's life treating you? How's life treating you? आपके साथ कुछ नया है? Anything new with you? Anything new with you? मुझे अपना पैसा छिपाना पड़ा। I had to hide my money. I had to hide my money. किसी ने मेरा पैसा चुरा लिया। Someone stole my money. Someone stole my money. ऐसा मेरा विश्वास है। It's my belief that. It's my belief that. मैं ईमानदारी से उस पर विश्वास करता हूँ। I honestly believe that. I honestly believe that. जहाँ तक मैं बता सकता हूँ। As far as I can tell. As far as I can tell. वह मेरे लिए काम नहीं करता। That doesn't work for me. That doesn't work for me. काश मैं यह काम कर पाता। I wish I could make it work. I wish I could make it work. मैं उसे काबू नहीं कर सकता। I can't control him. I can't control him. तुम बहुत अच्छे इंसान हो। You are such a nice person. You are such a nice person. यह बस तुम्हारी कल्पना है। It's just your imagination. It's just your imagination. मैं बाजार में राम से मिला था। I met Ram in market. I met Ram in market. मैंने तुम्हें कहीं देखा है। I have seen you somewhere. I have seen you somewhere. उसे कितना समय लगेगा? How much time will he take? How much time will he take? तुम कब तक यहाँ ठहरोगे? For how long will you stay here? For how long will you stay here? मैं उससे पीछा छुड़ाना चाहता हूँ। I want to get rid of him. I want to get rid of him. क्या वहाँ सब ठीक ठाक है? Is everything all right there? It's everything all right there. इस अवसर को मत छोड़ना। Don't miss this opportunity. Don't miss this opportunity. हम एक सप्ताह से सफाई कर रहे हैं। We have been cleaning for a week. We have been cleaning for a week. तुम एक घंटे से यहाँ खड़े हो। You have been standing here for an hour. You have been standing here for an hour. हम 3 घंटे से खेल रहे हैं। We have been playing for 3 hours. We have been playing for 3 hours. मेरा मोबाइल खो गया है। I have lost my mobile. I have lost my mobile. मैं सभी को खाना दे रहा हूँ। I am serving the food at all. I am serving the food at all. मैं सभी को खाना खिलवा रहा हूँ। I'm getting the food served to all. I'm getting the food served to all. मैं शर्ट पहन रहा हूँ। I am wearing a shirt. I am wearing a shirt. वह अभी कमरे में है। She is in her room. She is in her room. मेरे पास मत आओ। Don't come to me. Don't come to me. अपनी पढ़ाई पर ध्यान दो। Concentrate on your studies. Concentrate on your studies. फालतू बातें मत करो। Don't talk nonsense. Don't talk nonsense. मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनो। Listen to me carefully. Listen to me carefully. मेरा घर बहुत बड़ा है। My house is very big. My house is very big. अगर मुझे कुछ हो गया तो What if something happens to me? What if something happens to me? आपने मेरे लिए किया क्या है? What have you done for me? What have you done for me? आप इतने भी भोले नहीं है। You are not that innocent also. You are not that innocent also. इतना आसान नहीं होता किसी को भूलना। It's not easy to forget someone. It's not easy to forget someone. मैं तो तेरे रग रग से वाकिफ हूँ। I know you inside out. I know you inside out. तुम्हारे लिए दरवाजे हमेशा खुले हैं। The door are always open for you. The door are always open for you. क्या आपको बाइक चलाना नहीं आती? Don't you know how to ride a bike? Don't you know how to ride a bike? मुझसे किसी ने नहीं पूछा। No one asked me. No one asked me. तुम्हारा इरादा क्या है? What's your intention? What's your intention? आप एक बार मुझे इन्फॉर्म कर सकते थे। You could have informed me once. You could have informed me once. तुम वहाँ क्या कर रहे थे? What were you doing there? What were you doing there? काश मेरे पास एक कार होती। I wish I had a car. I wish I had a car. तूने पहले क्यों नहीं बताया? Why didn't you tell me earlier? Why didn't you tell me earlier? उसकी तबीयत कैसे है अब? How is his health now? How is his health now? चलो कुछ खाते हैं। Let's eat something. Let's eat something. मैं उससे पहले कभी नहीं मिला हूँ। I have never met him before. I have never met him before. तुम आज तक उसे भूल नहीं पाए। You couldn't forget her till today. You couldn't forget her till today. यहाँ रुकने का कोई फायदा नहीं है। It's no use staying here. It's no use staying here. तुमने फालतू में उससे पंगा लिया। You messed with him for no reason. You messed with him for no reason. मैं तुमसे मिलना नहीं चाहता। I don't want to meet you. I don't want to meet you. हमारी कार खराब हो गई है। Our car has broken down. Our car has broken down. मुझे उसको सच बताना पड़ा। I had to tell him the truth. I had to tell him the truth. मुझे घर पहुंचने में 1 घंटा लगेगा। It will take an hour to get home. It will take an hour to get home. कभी-कभी झूठ बोलना पड़ सकता है। Sometimes we have to speak a lie. Sometimes we have to speak a lie. आपको मेरी बात सुननी पड़ेगी। You will have to listen to me. You will have to listen to me. लेकिन मैं आपको एक दिन दिखाऊंगा। But I will show you one day. But I will show you one day. मेरे जीवन में एक लक्ष्य है। I have an aim in my life. I have an aim in my life. तुम्हारे पापा चाहते हैं कि तुम खूब पढ़ो। Your dad wants you to study hard. Your dad wants you to study hard. मैं पूरे दिन अंग्रेजी में बात कर सकता हूँ। I can speak in English for the entire day. I can speak in English for the entire day. रजनी एक बुद्धिमान छात्र है। रजनी is an intelligent student. रजनी is an intelligent student. मुझे भगवान पर पूरा भरोसा है। I have full faith on God. I have full faith on God. मुझे उसको सच बताना पड़ा। I had to tell her the truth. I had to tell her the truth. वो आपके कौन लगते हैं? Who is he to you? Who is he to you? मुझे आपसे अभी मिलना है. I have to meet you right now. I have to meet you right now. मैं नेहा को संदेश भेजूंगा. I will send a message to Neha. I will send a message to Neha. तुम्हारा सब कुछ कैसा चल रहा है? How is everything with you? How is everything with you? चाय लेने का समय हो गया है. It's time to take tea. It's time to take tea. इसने मुझसे बहस की थी. He argued with me. He argued with me. मैं जल्द ही घर पहुंच रहा हूँ. I'm reaching home soon. I am reaching home soon. मैं उसे जानता भी नहीं हूँ. I don't even know her. I don't even know her. मैं ठीक आपके सामने खड़ा हूँ. I'm standing right in front of you. I'm standing right in front of you. जल्दी से जल्दी उसकी शादी करा दो. Get him married at the earliest. Get him married at the earliest. ये चावल झूठे हैं. These rice are old. These rice are old. ये पानी झूठा है. This water is seeped. This water is seeped. ये बर्तन झूठे हैं. These dishes are used. These dishes are used. बादाम गरम होती है. The nature of almonds is hot. The nature of almonds is hot. इलायची ठंडी होती है. The nature of cardamom is cold. The nature of cardamom is cold. ये तुमको कितने की पड़ी? How much did it cost you? How much did it cost you? हम दोबारा कब मिलेंगे? When will we meet again? When will we meet again? वो कल कहाँ जाएगा? Where will he go tomorrow? Where will he go tomorrow? ये कंगन पहन लो. Put this bangle on. Put this bangle on. वो तुमसे कुछ पूछ रहा है, जवाब दो. He is asking you something, answer him. He is asking you something, answer him. मैं भी किससे कह रहा हूँ? Whom am I even telling? Whom am I even telling? वो वहाँ आया ही नहीं. He didn't show up there. He didn't show up there. वो लोग बड़े होशियार निकले. They turned it out to be so smart. They turned it out to be so smart. वो दो कौड़ी की सोच रखता है. He has a two-bit thinking. He has a two-bit thinking. मुझे कोई झूठी उम्मीद मत दो. Don't give me any false hope. Don't give me any false hope. झूठा दिलासा देना अच्छी बात नहीं है. Giving false comfort is not a good thing. Giving false comfort is not a good thing. आँच धीमी कर दो. Turn down the flame. Turn down the flame. आँच तेज कर दो. Turn up the flame. Turn up the flame. हम वहाँ क्या करने जाएंगे? What shall we go there to do? What shall we go there to do? अंग्रेजी से मत डरो. Don't be scared of English. Don't be scared of English. तो ये फिर किसके लिए है? Who is this for then? Who is this for then? और क्या करूं मैं फिर? What else do I do then? What else do I do then? अपने खर्चों में कटौती करो. Tighten your belt. Tighten your belt. वह एक नंबर का मक्कार है. He is a number one slicker. He is a number one slicker. कहना पड़ेगा उसमें दम तो है. Have to admit he has potential. Have to admit he has potential. कहना पड़ेगा तुम्हारा कोई तोड़ नहीं. Have to admit you are matchless. Have to admit you are matchless. चलो हिसाब बराबर करते हैं। लेट्स इवन द स्कोर। लेट्स इवन द स्कोर। ये तो मैंने पहले सुना हुआ है। आई हैव हर्ड इट बिफोर। आई हैव हर्ड इट बिफोर। वो मेरी जासूसी कर रहा था। ही वॉज स्पाइंग ऑन मी। ही वॉज स्पाइंग ऑन मी। वो लिपस्टिक लगा रही थी। शी इज पुटिंग ऑन लिपस्टिक। शी इज पुटिंग ऑन लिपस्टिक। हम शुरू करें या ना करें? Shall we start or not? Shall we start or not? सावधानी से मेरी कार चलाना। Be careful with my car. Be careful with my car. उससे बच के रहना। Be careful with him. Be careful with him. वह अभी तक आया क्यों नहीं? Why hasn't he returned yet? Why hasn't he returned yet? मैंने उसे बहुत बर्दाश्त कर लिया। I have tolerated him a lot. I have tolerated him a lot. मैंने कुछ गलत नहीं किया है। I have done nothing wrong. I have done nothing wrong. तुम्हें मेरी बात पर शक है। You doubt my words. You doubt my words. तुम्हें और कुछ नहीं दिखाई देता। You can't see anything else. You can't see anything else. मैंने उसे गाली देते हुए सुना। I heard him abusing. I heard him abusing.